It's a relief.
Ano? Ano ikaw?
Think it'll be enough?
Mm.
Taylor was here in the house while we were out. Maybe
Ano
we should
ikaw?
think about changing the locks.
Yeah, I mean,
Tingnan
she's
na.
my wife and she loves me.
Siya kang
In
ano.
her way, she's just trying to protect me.
She's trying
Mano
to
ka?
control you. There's a difference.
Nagutom ikaw?
I don't know.
Ano? Anong problema
Maybe I should
mo?
just call her.
No!
Nauhaw ka?
I mean, I know you want to believe that she's going to come around,
Huh?
but you have to know.
Sapat na
deep
dayon.
down, there's no way she's ever going to get on board with the idea
Ay.
of you using.
Tumang diri.
And she's
Tumang diri kung
threatening to
inasuan wala eh.
compromise.
My dad? Are you fucking kidding me?
Kreng.
What?
Kreng.
She knows I don't speak to him. God,
Kreng.
you can just fucking do that.
She's trying to make you
Ano
feel
ikaw?
small.
Nga nga nag-ibig ka kaina.
I hate that she's treating you this
Ano?
way. The last thing I want is to see you lose everything you've been working so hard to get.
Nauhaw ka? Nauhaw wala.
Our handyman. You're right, we're gonna
Kata
change
yun.
these fucking locks.
Nagutom.
Ron's got an awful lot of old
Sabat dayon.
sports equipment.
Wala
He
eh.
never uses any.
Paano ko mabalaan ng burat?
I'm taking it to the pawn shop
Paano ko mabalaan ng
and
burat?
giving the cash to April.